Well, by God, I know now I can forge a drill bit. I just about got this whole drill. Taking my time, trying not to get things too hot. Now I know this is how the old gunsmiths did it. They made everything, their tools and parts. That's part of the fun to me. Everything. Of course, they didn't have a battery powered drill, but there we are. We hit bottom. There you are. There we go. All right. This old Florida cracker done gone and made himself a drill bit. It ain't pretty, but the damn thing worked pretty good. Pretty good. And actually, you know it. It's still sharp. I'll be damned. All right, I'm gonna grease this sucker up, wax it up, so it don't rust on me, because I might need this for another project, which I'm sure I will. All right, this old Florida cracker. Y'all subscribe and keep watching, folks. All right, see ya.